closing. I'm about what? I'm about closing. Okay, Battle Cry, I'm coming. Battle Cry, are you there? Okay, can you just greet Biafrans? I'm coming.
Hello, Biafrans. Thank you all. It's afternoon here. Just busy doing one thing or the other at work. Just trying to say hello, be calm, and be consistent. May God bless you all. Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. So this is the Nigeria you are fighting for. Listen to this.
Every one of us must rise up. The armed forces are not neutral. They collude. They collude. They collude with the armed bandits. They kill people, kill Nigerians. They facilitate their movements. They cover them. If you are depending on the armed forces to stop the killings, you will all die one by one.
And believe me, internet does not forget. I was part of the people that helped to bring Buhari to government because I believe in him.
Have you worked with the government after that?
After
you helped bring the government?
Oh, of course, I worked with him. We brought him in 2015, and I work as the Deputy Director of Defense Administration. And we have a lot of hope in him. And we actually are ready to do anything for him. What he has turned out over the years is shocking to us. I was in Harvard in 2014, in December, when the Department of State Services and CIA and others were contemplating about Buhari and other aspirants. I know what we did to convince the American government that the only person that can come and put this country right is Buhari. That was before the Lagos, APC, before they chose within.
Right.
And that was how Tinubu came in.
So you hear how Tinubu came in. As we are closing, I want us to remember one thing. What Mazen Nandekalo said, the way to get freedom. Are we doing something different from what Mazen Nandekalo is saying or has said? Let us listen to it first of all.
Let us go talk about the objective of your struggle and how do you intend to achieve it in practical terms?
In practical terms, it is civil disobedience. The same way that Reverend Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. accomplished civil rights in America, the same way that Mahatma Gandhi.
Okay.
Led India to independence out of.
Let us go talk about the objective of your struggle and how do you intend to achieve it in practical terms?
In practical terms, it is civil disobedience. The same way that Reverend Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. accomplished civil rights in America, the same way that Mahatma Gandhi led India to independence out of British colonial rule, the same principles we are applying, and might I add, very successfully too. We will do everything possible to unravel and unshackle the zoo called Nigeria. Everything humanly possible. No stone will be left unturned.
I believe that one we hear and well. We get and well.
Yeah, they get aware. They all had it.
Understand them. So when you hear sit at home, you go know where sit at home they come from.
Yes.
But no, they do anything, has never done anything outside the rules, the guideline of Mazen Kano. This is one thing you must all understand. So when you hear sit at home for Lagos, it's for your own good. But if una decide to go gang up against that man, SND Igbo na Jawo that has been arrested, una come out to go stand against him, no problem. But I want everybody to know that the same way they take am, you see the people of Kogi, do you know why they were killing them now? They are killing them now because they have been living together with the Funanis. Because they see Funanis as their family. Then Funani will rise up one day and kill them and they burn their houses. 700 houses burnt yesterday. Imagine when they enter your village. Imagine when they enter your community. They go burn up to 1 million houses. That one police no go even come. When they begin, police no go come when they finish. This Kogi self dey better say after they don burn finish e go, police come. But the truth is this, those houses wey they don burn, those people wey get those houses, they are now in IDP camp. Close that door for me. They are now in IDP camps and they are not coming back to their homes. You see those homes as they don't burn them. The only thing you go see now those houses, Funani houses where they be like Okoko. Now you go begin to see there now. And the Funanis are taking over. So are you going to allow them to come take over your Biafra land? It's the same thing that has been applied in northern Kaduna, in southern Kaduna, in Kogi, in Benue. It's something that they are bringing to your land. Whether it be Calabar man, whether it be Fik man, whether it be South, whether it be Southeast, whether it be Delta region, whether it be Bini, the same system, the same plan, the same way. 700 houses in a day burnt down. Ask yourself, where are the indigenous? Where are the dwellers? Where are the owners? Where are the inhabitants of those houses? They are now in IDP camp and they are not going to return soon. Maybe generation to generation will be spent in IDP camp. Hey, all the ego one can self.
You see?
If you have anything to say, you say because me I want close.
All right. Just a quick one. The reason for all this uprising, I mean, all this banditry or terrorism in the zoo is because of the weakness of the elders, the weakness of the elite, the people who supposed to talk, the people who should allow people who have the brutality of mental toughness to confront evil. They are the leaders who are weakening that mental toughness. Do you know there was, I think, 3 years ago when Wolosoyin can make a comment that his farm is going in, that day by day his farm is shrinking, that they don't have life anymore, that very soon they will become a slave. That was one Onyedu used for broadcast, said that he didn't talk until Fulani began to shrink his farm and his farm is being shortened day by day. And he woke up and saw that his farm is going and noticed that his carrot and cucumber he used to do one salad is, it's no more there. That's when he rise up. But when it's happening to others, he didn't talk until it happens to him. He comes out to talk. Do you know what this man said today on television? He said nearly this Wole Soyinka now attacked this dirty Baba Ahmed, who made comment on channel television that about democracy or not democracy, said democracy will go on. Wole Soyinka come out today on channel television was saying that almost everything Gadi Ahmed said was a threat to democracy. Can you imagine? So Wole believe in his own thinking faculty that there is democracy in Nigeria. So when somebody rise up to talk the truth, how to set things aright or how to set the record straight, somebody like that at his 80 comes out try to counteract what somebody said. You see, they are the problem of that country. People like Wole Soyinka, they are the problem of that country. He's criticizing what that young man said. Can you imagine? So now, look at what happened in Kogi. Kogi had gone burnt. How many houses? 700 houses. Yeah, that was the topic he put here. 700 houses got burnt by these Fulani terrorists. And today, again, on Channel television, Wole Soyinka came out again and criticized what that guy said. You see, that country, I mean, it's of no meaning. It's of no meaning because if somebody, like people who are brave can talk, and people who are Nele, who call themselves Nobel Prize Nobel or whatever, can come out again and
wherever they feel.
Sorry for that. I'm trying to bring back the video. Let me put it so that everybody go see am. No be say I make up the news.
You mean Wole Soyinka or the one of Kogi?
No, leave Wole Soyinka. Say Wole Soyinka. Wetin concern me concern him.
Even this Janjaweed, Sanusi came out and said Nigeria now divided more than Civil War era. That's what he said today on Channel television. All of them, they know the truth, but they cannot talk. All of them being gullible. What kind of set of human beings are these? Eh? Somebody said there is no democracy, and that is their problem. Is it not right? After the brutality of human beings, killing and the destroying of properties, somebody came out to say the truth. He said the person is threatening a democracy. Never. Na Chineke na mekwara mmadụ ebere biko mgbapụkwa m ike nke a n'isi. I don't know whether the elders have made covenant to sacrifice this generation, this existing generation, just to sacrifice them, let them go.
Now, this is the video where these people were killed and the 700 houses burnt. Yesterday, no be say na last year, no be yesterday, no be last month even. Yesterday wey be 4th of April 2023. Yesterday. Now listen to the video. I will put and make you play.
These amateur videos were sent in from a daily community in Ogan Enugu, the Kina local government area of Kogi State, by an eyewitness, Momo Banachi, who gave an account of the invasion of their community by suspected armed herdsmen. While the police put the casualty figure at 4, based on hearsay, the eyewitness, Momo Banachi, said 10 people have so far been killed and several houses.
Police put the casualty number 4. But the eyewitness they tell you say na 10. Eyewitness tell you say na 10. Listen.
On Thursday and Sunday morning at Idede and Aloko Ogane Enugu respectively.
Those that have been confirmed are about 10 and 700 houses on increment at about 10 and 700 houses on increment at about 10 and 700 houses on increment.
Do you hear that? About 10 casualties, 10 dead, 700 houses burnt.
700.
You don't hear them. I go put that. Listen, clean your ear. Listen now.
About 10 and 700 houses burnt.
Hey.
About 10 and 700 houses burnt. It has been confirmed at about 10.
Yes, it did.
700 houses burnt. At about 10 and 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 700 houses burnt.
You hear them? No be me they make them up. I no make the news. I no make up any news. This is what happened. And this is what they don't want you to discuss. because when you discuss, they go block your notification. Many people come here, they no get notification. No worry, all you need to do, they check me up and they always dey live. So we go, oh no, 700 houses burn, 700 houses fire, boom. And they
700.
and the 10 people you hear where they don't tell you say they kill, now the ones where they see their body for ground, the ones where they kill inside bush, we know here. The number where they kidnap, the women where they carry go inside bush, we know here. The little girls where they kidnap, because their own na to kidnap women and the girls, every girl and woman, they, as long as that woman go fit born, they go carry am. Their own na to use am for sex slave, and the born pikin na im be their own. So na make you there understand. I know they make up news. So my people, that is us. Now there we dey. Are we going to wait for this kind of thing to happen to us? Then you will find yourself in IDP camp, crying, lamenting, or will it be better for you to fight now for your freedom? I raise my case. So Biafrans, me I want make I drop this thing here, and we will come back later in the day. It's already 4 p.m. Maybe in next 1 hour, by the grace of God, if I fit, I go. If I dey free, I go try enter line again. So I don't know. We have to say goodbye for now. So Mazi, drop your final submission before we go.
So, okay, Biafra, thank you very much again. And for those who want the freedom of their own lives, you know, it's better you have freedom first before you're talking about democracy. Because the people you are dealing with, they don't understand what is democracy. They don't believe in democracy. They believe in jihadism. They believe in their religion. Okay? So if you are there, Martin Nadkalo have dropped this gospel for a very long time. It's less for us to allow that gospel to bear fruit in us. The only fruit that gospel will bear in us is to act it, to practice it. It's not that you heard it and swallow it, hukula and sika, without meditating it, without even practicing it. The doctrine and the gospel of Martin Nandekalo is pure and total. It's the only thing that can save us. If you continue to meddle with these people, say, oh, maybe we have our own, it's coming there to change everything. He might come and change it, but after he stepped down, what next? The same Janjaweed will come back and scatter and neutralize everything and overtake it again. So there is no need. You don't have the same ideology with them. You don't have the same religion with them. You don't have the same faith with them. What are you made to be with somebody? Is it by force? They refuse to remain in peace with you. They call you infidel. They say they will not want an infidel to rule over them. So once you are not with their religion, either you convert or you become an infidel. Even if you convert, they will say, no, this is not true Fulani. This is a convert Muslim, a converted Muslim. So therefore, they will treat you as well as infidel or second class, maybe their tribe or their faith. So the best thing is to, depart. You know, according to our sister Conway. So it's time to go to your tent, O Israel. Thank you very much. Maze Kuchagomo.
All right, Biafrans, we've heard it all. Yes, we've heard it all. And we are not backing down, we are not stepping down. All we know is that we are fighting and we will not stop until we get our freedom. And the freedom now be the last bus stop. So I want everybody to understand that waiting they do us, they far from us. So na me and you go decide to fight it. Na me and you go decide to end it. So we are not stopping until we get our freedom, because our freedom now be the only thing we need. the only thing we need in our freedom, and we must get our freedom. So from me now to you is for now goodbye, and I want you to remember always to listen to Simon Ekpa.
You must go and listen to Simon Ekpa, who is doing a very fantastic job. Very great job that Simon Ekpa is doing. Very, very, absolutely fantastic job that he's doing. You must listen to him and share his videos accordingly. Very, very important. He is bringing a new dimension to this very awareness that we are making, and you must listen to him. Very, very important.